First challenger. Sorry, Zach, you're gonna get your ass whooped. And ping pong. I'm just saying. I'm Asian. I'm born with a paddle, bro.
I'm on the national ping pong team.
Oh shit. Forrest Gump. Good morning, guys. I made it a promise to myself to vlog today with our NASCAR journey. But it's not just NASCAR. We're actually going to a place called Queen Park Social. You guys ready? Got some fun. Come on, Zach, you're about to get your ass kicked. Let's go.
Do you care what one?
I don't. Stretching out. Calm down there, America.
Hey, good morning. Welcome to the National Championship for Ping Pong. Can't wait for you to get your ass kicked.
Round one, fight!
Alright, Zach, I give it to you. Good stuff, you know. College boy over here. Oh, Claudia. Orale.
Let me work this out.
Alright, Zach, what's the score? What do you think?
300.
300? 250. We're banking 250. Ooh!
Okay.
Yeah, we underestimated her.
Hey.
Come on, Erica, you got this. Let's go. You ready? Press the start button.
I don't want to. I'm literally. What if I
Take out
put
your
that
anger.
ball?
Just take out your anger.
Oh God, you don't want that.
Yeah, go.
Just hit it.
Okay. No, that's good. Yeah. Woo!
Queen City. That's right. 704 area code.
Never punched anything before?
Oh my God.
You recorded that?
I recorded that.
You're like, how do I bring this down?
The girls are playing Jenga. I finally beat Zach at something. Fuck yeah. We're at Charlotte Motor Speedway, hopping on a golf cart and heading into the smoke show.
Hey.
Say what's up.
What's up?
What's your Instagram?
I don't even know.
Oh, okay, don't worry. Sorry, man.
I got Brandon_Barrett.ktm.
The fence of the smoke show for the monster bikes and trucks. Wow, thank you. Save the day again.
Again.
Oh yes. You discovered something new. What is this? But it's a T. They just asked if we wanted to go up the ramp. Yes. Yes. You can watch from here. This is insane. We're like on the track. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit. Ready for this?
No.
It's not singing, but
I'm kind of scared.
I'm kind of scared. You know what? That's a good look for you. Go on stage next time like that.
Oh, stay.
Do I look like an Asian ninja?
Kinda.
I'm ready to go. Can-Am, let's go. Oh yeah, we're about to go. Let's do this. just went into the Can-Am. Holy crap, that was fun. I wish I could strap like a GoPro in there. We are on the 4th floor, and I guess there's a really sick view out here. The view is not crazy enough. Let's go higher. Oh, leg day. Oh no, leg day. Oh my gosh, I had leg day. This is a bad idea. You guys ready for this view? Here we go, watch. Here you go. Holy crap. I really wish you can see how steep this is and how big this place is. So there's like many hours before the race, and then later on this entire place will be filled up with fans. It's gonna be a good race like every time. Ooh, hi. Oh man, we're back and this place feels so nice. Are you ready to see the view? Ooh. Now look at the stadium. We're headed to driver intros. You get to go on the track. Here we are. Driver intros. Check it out. I don't know about you guys, but driver intros was freaking sick. Over the wall we go.
You see him? You recognize him from video?
Yeah.
Man, Mike.
What's up, dude?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good. Good.
So you gonna build a little NASCAR?
I'd like to.
I saw that.
I'd like
I saw
to.
That last part.
That was Kenyatta. We made a video with him. Really cool video. You haven't seen it? Just description and click up here somewhere. Hey dude, that's sick. That's so awesome. I watch your videos all the time. Thank you. Always cool to meet supporters, but we are headed to Victory Lane. We're hanging out here until we when they announce the winners.
Become better by making other lives better. I want to represent an idea. I want to represent possibility.
Lindsay and I are in a search for lug nuts, if we can find any. Lug nuts. Oh, there's one. Lug nut. Sweet. Thank you. 3.
Good night.
Thank you. Ooh. I got 5. I can complete 1 tire. See? I've got an idea for this. There's a reason why we want these, but we need a ton of them. Still searching. That's it, guys. It's hopeless. I saw a little kid about yay tall with a bag of lug nuts, so I think he went down this path already.